Hello, my friends from around the world. Let's talk. Let's talk about Louis Vuitton and how they did me so dirty. I was fixated on this customization that Louis Vuitton offered their consumers called Monogram. Loved it. It started in 2008. And in 2024, I really started looking at purchasing one. I had started my small business and I thought that I would get the Neverfull and add that customization on my Neverfull. So I wanted to add my business initials. You could select the colors, you can select the interior of the bag, but I didn't want to get it right away. Although I was fixated with it. Again, I watched tons of YouTube videos of unboxings of all of the lucky consumers that were able to go through and get theirs in the different varying colors that I saw. So I was ready. So come 2025 January, I was going to start this process. So I was ready in January 2025, and I reached out to Louis Vuitton. Before I reached out, I went to the website because that's where you selected the colors. Went to the website, the option was no longer there. Keep in mind that all throughout 2024, I was just playing with all different types of colors and stripes and initials and everything I wanted on a bag. So I was ready, ready, ready. And it wasn't there. So I called and said, "Hey, did you move the selection? Because I can't find it on the website." At that time, that is when I was informed that Louis Vuitton discontinued that service. Now, guess what happened next? Although disappointed, I went on and pulled the trigger and purchased the Neverfull in the GM size, and it worked very well for me. I carried it on a couple of trips, some business meetings, and it held everything that I needed. And I was happy with the bag, but still disappointed in not having a customization. Yep, that's right. I sold it after using it maybe about 4 or 5 times. I put it up for sale in my TikTok shop at DLC Bags, and it was snatched up pretty quickly and sold. And I am hoping someone has good life out of it now, but it's gone. But guess what's back? Louis Vuitton has brought back the customization. It's not as detailed as it was, where you cannot pick the interior color, but you can still add your initials. You can still have some colors on the outside. So I am excited. So this time I didn't go for the Neverfull. I went for the bandolier. So I have customized. It is sitting in my cart, and I will be pulling the trigger on this beauty real soon. So Louis Vuitton, they came through in the end. Look, I don't know if there's a moral to this story, but if there is, I can say this is that while I was so disappointed in the beginning that that feature wasn't available, I am glad it wasn't, because I would have brought the wrong bag for me anyway. So because I waited, I will be getting the bag that best fits my lifestyle. Sometimes waiting is okay. This is Mrs. DLC, and I'm signing off. Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget